I'm already liking how clean this is looking so far. Plus, with all these trays full, you still got a room in here for all this miscellany that he seems to collect. Welcome back everybody to the Olsa Tools Garage. I'm your host Norm. Today we're going to be looking at more innovative storage solutions from Olsa. This is a wonderful one, I really like it. If you remember from the previous episode, we showed the transformation of my box using the 2-row socket holders to completely transform the storage of all these sockets that I use on a day-to-day basis. I tell you, I've been using it now for about 5 months and it's a game changer. Just having the access and the ease of access to these sockets is remarkable. And another useful feature, as I just noticed, is when one's missing, it's plainly obvious. Let's take a look at the product. Right, these are them. We're going to come in nice and tight here so you can see. These are the new 3-row socket holders. 1/4 inch, 15, all the way down to 4 in 3 rows. 3/8, 20, all the way down to 6. 1/2 inch, 27, all the way down to 10. Like, that's awesome. No missed numbers, no nothing. And we got the Imperial ones, 1.25 inch in half, all the way to 3/8. 1, 2, 3 sets. 3/8 goes 1 all the way to 1/4. 1/4 is 5/8, all the way down to 1/8. They still come with the super strong magnetic bases, so if you want to, all the way across on both. That's probably the only one I can get off one-handed. Let's try this. Super high quality, super thick, beautifully built. Look at that, the full magnetic base. And if you need to, if you want to hang it on your service truck or in your garage like that, that's also a possibility. So now the only problem is my box is really nice and organized and I love it, but how to demonstrate the new socket organizers? We're going to use the apprentice's box. He got himself a shiny new one here and he's a little bit disorganized and he has the space we need to get these in there. So let's get to it. Maybe he'll like it, maybe he won't, I don't care. He's getting it for free. Let's take a look at what we're working with here. All right, you can see he's got tons of room this way and that way. It's a huge drawer, but sockets here and these great big flat trays take up a lot of space. We're gonna minimize all this, whatever that is. Make it nice and sleek, and then he'll also see which ones he needs to purchase still. There, now with everything out, you can see how big this is. I'm gonna fit a lot of stuff in here, it's gonna be great. This also has a really thick liner on it, which you can also get from olsatools.com, which is really, really good, but this one's in pretty good shape. So we're gonna leave this one for now, and we'll start placing in the organizers and see where we land. I'm already liking how clean this is looking so far. Plus, with all these trays full, you still got a room in here for all this miscellany that he seems to collect. I'm not sure why, but not my place. But we'll make sure we get this all sorted out. It's gonna look great. And through the miracle of time lapse, you won't have to watch it. You only have to tune in for the very end when it's all back together. It's gonna go very fast. much better. Clearly, like every apprentice, he needs to fill in some gaps here, but we got the metric stuff here where it was before. Got the imperial stuff over here, and then found a little usefulness. Until such time as he decides to fill all these, you can use it for some of the other things that you have no home for, right? I think one of my favorites was, if you're looking for examples of why you need 3 rows, what I was kind of going for here is you go deep impact, deep chrome, chrome shallow. And then one of the ones that he had, the kits he had, was quite good, was this one. Because he has the 1/4 inch metric in deep, semi-deep or semi-shallow, one missing, and then shallow. And it just fits so nice. That's the one he had in this big ass tray. Like, look how much tidier that is comparatively. And for scale, like, so much better use of space. So like I said, even with all the miscellanea that you don't have a home for, there's still good use of space. There's still lots of room for growth. Purchase of new stuff, it's gonna be great. I think you'll like it. And with the magnetic bases, nothing's gonna move. Everything's nice and stuck in there. So when he rolls the box around the shop, you don't spill your sockets everywhere. So that's it, we're done for the day. Check out olsatools.com or olsatools.ca if you're a proud Canadian like me for the best deals. Hopefully this helps give you some ideas on what to do with bigger tool storage, socket storage specifically. Go to the website to see any other ideas they have. They have a myriad of things you can check out. Hope you found this informative, and stay tuned for the next one when we launch the newest products coming out and we test them in the real world here like we did today. All right, everybody have a good night. I'm Norm. Have a good evening.